Hello YouTubers, as I've just picked up this Terminator limited edition VHS copy. This is both the first film and the second, so I thought I'd do an unboxing on it because it's a bit rare, especially considering this is in mint condition. I picked it up for an epically cheap price of £8, so ridiculously good. It just says T2, you can't really see that on camera. Oh, prize draw thing, I think it's safe to say that's probably expired. Little booklet here, just going over some of the details of the second movie. It's all about the second one. I did have a quick look through this. I did actually record this once already, but it messed up, it was too dark and stuff, so I'm just doing it again. But yeah, I'm a massive fan of Terminator, and especially the second film. I watched this to death on VHS when it first came out, and it was this is just an iconic film really in history. And I actually just went on eBay with the idea of picking up the second movie on VHS, but I saw this box set, limited edition, and I was just like, for £8, definitely. Snap that up. It's just a bit of a quick look through it. James Cameron. I haven't actually watched the new James Bond now. It's out now. My friends watched it and said it's really good, and he's a big Terminator fan, so I'm sure it is, and I look forward to seeing it. But here's the good stuff, the VHS. Classic. Don't think there's anything in particular special about these tapes. Though there does say there's some additional stuff on there. Don't really need to show you the back side of VHS. If you've had VHS, you know what they look like. So there's the first one, and then the epic one I'm looking forward to watching the most again. I've got Terminator 2 in 4K now, so I do have a 4K TV and all of the capability of 4K to watch it and the like. And I've got the second one, as I say, in 4K. And the first one I have in Blu-ray, but it's arguably like 4K quality. It's really well done, remastered footage, so they've gone back and done it justice. But yeah, thought I'd just do a quick showing of these two iconic movies, and one of my all-time favourite movies of all time, T2. Put those back in, and I'll be watching them later today. And there we go. Hope you liked having a look at it. Speak to you all again soon. Goodbye. I'll just film it up a close as well, and on the back I'll just show there's nothing actually on there apart from the barcode and stuff. It's, yeah, really nice package.